The best way to upload and share content to students is with Blackboard Collaborate. There are many limitations to using this service, however. If students do not have access to fast internet or a stable connection, they may be unable to use this service. Blackboard Collaborate is available on a range of devices and allows you to share and record content in a number of ways. This video gives you an overview of Blackboard Collaborate. You can use Blackboard Collaborate to communicate with others, with audio, video, and a range of other visual aids. First, click on the Blackboard Collaborate link in your course. Next, click on the class you would like to join and click Join. You can share audio by clicking on the microphone icon. You can share video by clicking on the video icon. You can turn them off again by clicking them again. You can also utilize a range of visual aids from the Collaborate panel in the bottom right-hand corner. You can send a message to the chat by clicking on the chat room, typing your message, and pressing Enter on your keyboard. To access other visual aids, click the Share Content tab. Some of the things you can do include sharing a blank whiteboard, sharing your screen or application, sharing files, making a poll, and splitting people into groups. For more in-depth information, see the pages on Blackboard Collaborate.